Hey guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks back with another video, and today we're gonna be looking at some Vans that I got. I got these a while back off Feature Sneaker Boutique when they did the half off their sneakers. I got a pair of some just old schools, just some regular black old schools that I've been wearing, and I also got these because I thought these were pretty cool. These are a little bit older. These are released on June 18th, 2021, and these are an Anaheim factory needlepoint. And these are the skulls variation of that. So pretty cool. This is what the tag looks like here. 11.5 is what I got. They were pretty limited on the sizing for a lot of the shoes that they had because everything was half off. I usually go 11 in these, but 11.5 is what I had to do. Opening up the box here, you'll kind of just already greeted with them. I think I've already taken these out of the box, just never worn them. But yeah, these are pretty much what they are. I thought they were kind of cool, just something a little bit different. I really like just like the cream color on these, and then the skulls were pretty cool as well. And these are needle points, so I think they're like designed for you to actually sew into, like to make your own custom shoe, but I'm not going to do anything like that. I kind of like these just as they are. These are Anaheim factory, so I guess they're supposed to be considered like a higher class of Vans. I don't know. It says right here, stitch your own embroidery onto the shoe, needlepoint at your own risk. So I guess that's what it's meant for, but I'm not going to do anything like that. And then it comes with a blue Vans sticker, not the regular red one. But yeah, I've had these for maybe a year now and just never wore them. I plan on wearing these soon, which is why I actually busted these out and figured I'd do a video for them. I thought they were really cool, and now with fall approaching, I feel like this is a really, really cool sneaker to wear. We just hit October. We're already in mid-October pretty much, so I think these will be pretty cool for like Halloween or something. But yeah, a pretty plain and cool sneaker, just with the skulls on it. Thought that was really nice. The blue Vans logo here. You get your red Vans off the wall in the back, and of course your classic gum outsole. But yeah, nothing really much to these, which is why I kind of like these. You get that leather and then fabric insole on these. And I just thought they were cool because they were just pretty simple. Nothing really much going on with them besides the skulls. And I wanted to get these for a while. I saw them a while back on GOAT, I want to say. They were asking a little bit above retail. So I kind of just steered away and just kind of forgot about them until I saw them for half off on Feature. So pretty good deal. I think I got these for like maybe 50 bucks, 60 bucks, something like that. Either way, I thought it was a pretty good deal. But let me know what you guys think down below in the comments if you guys have ever got these needle points or actually customized them. I did Google it, and I saw some people do some pretty cool stuff with some shoes, but with these, I'm just going to leave them alone. Hey, but that is it. Thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Catch y'all next time.